We are going to be counting some coins together today, but if you look at my coins here, you can see that they're not in the best order for counting a group of coins. We know that the best and easiest way to count coins is by putting them in order from the coin that's the greatest amount to the coin that has the smallest amount. Now, I could change them here on my board, but if I have them on a piece of paper, a worksheet, a test, we can't move our coins around there. So that there are a couple ways that you can count those coins, but I think and I find that the very best way is by numbering your coins so you know which ones to count first, second, third, and so on. So we're going to go ahead and do that together. So if I look at the very first group of coins that I have, my biggest coin, or my coin that's worth the most, is my quarter. Okay, so I'm going to put a number 1 underneath my quarter. Now, out of these coins, the one that is the second biggest amount is my dime, because dimes are worth 10 cents. So I'm going to count that one next. And after that, I have pennies and nickels. Now, I know that my nickels are worth more than my penny, so I'm going to number these 3 and 4. And then my penny, I'm going to number 5 because that's the very last one that I'm going to count. Okay, so let's count our coins together and see what we get. 25, and I'm going to go to the dime. 35, 40, 45, 46. Let's do that together one more time. 25, 35, 40, 45, 46. Let's do that with our second group of coins. Now, all these numbers here at the bottom of the coins are telling us is what order to count them in. Okay, so let's look at these coins. I see I have 2 quarters, and my 2 quarters are worth the most out of any of those coins, so I'm going to number them 1 and 2. Those are the ones I'm going to count first. After my quarters, I have a dime. So between the dime and the pennies, the dime is worth more, so I'm going to count that next. So the 3 will go underneath that dime. And then I have 2 pennies left. So I'm going to number my pennies 4 and 5. So now I know what order to count my coins. So let's go ahead and count them together. 25, 50, 60, 61, 62. I have 62 cents in my bottom group